What I go on YouTube? Welcome to reggae, U.T.C. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel for the latest dancehall and reggae. So yeah, my people, we come to drop the preview for Yanky Yanks. Make it out right now, my people. Me say the artists are put in the work and the artists are do it and the artists are make the people them proud right now. From Springmount to Janzal, you see me, my people. So me I say big up Village right now if you come out and show the artists some support, my people. So right now, drop the preview, make we see what the artists are deal with.
From the root, I myself be believing in myself that the truth, man. Now the fuck no gun, now go take no life. Chant the psalms before me touch the street. What's a when a night time? Happy spirit when me rolling out me smooth. You never ever I go get the chance to change my mood, man. Read the psalms every day, protect me life. No care where them a fight. You think a little bit of fight, man, fight we make it out and them push man.
Yes, YouTube, you see the video shot, the thing well organized and put together. The youth them a do it. So make sure when the video drop, you go to Yanky Yanks YouTube channel, subscribe to him YouTube channel and make sure you support the video, you see me? reggae U.T.C, my people. We are bring the latest dancehall music and the young artists them, so make sure you support the channel, support the young artists them in the business, you see me? Up move.